Several precautions for beginners when soldering a 7-inch drone. First, we prepare the capacitor and power cables, then solder them to the flight controller. To make soldering easier, we use flux. In soldering power cords, pre-tin them first. Set the soldering iron temperature to 450 degrees. Then solder the capacitor, connecting the end with the negative symbol to the black wire. Next, we will solder the motor wires. Here we are using a 60 mm CSC. User-friendly soldering design. For a more visually appealing sold, a cable clamp plate can be incorporated. Finally, when we soldered the motor wires, we use the internal routing method. This soldering method for motor wires is not only aesthetically pleasing but also safe. Soldering is done. Looks neat, doesn't it?